back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. The story on this unit, I actually wore her for my birthday. I said got like some more hair, but I didn't get it. So I just bought her, seeing her, been wanting her because of the color. I really loved the color. That's what drew my attention to her. So yeah, I purchased her for my birthday. I wore her like 3 times. I wore 3 wars out of her, and my birthday was like the end of February, so I never did get the chance to review her. My intentions was, but then the corona stuff started happening, started quarantine, and your girl put some braids in her head. Well, anyway, make a long story short, I'm here, and I'm here to review it after 3 wears. This would be my actual 4 because I put it on today. So this will be my 4th. Sorry guys. This will be my fourth time putting her on my actual head. So you guys will see that how I took her out the package and all that, how I had to finesse her and all that, my end result, how I feel about this wig. Y'all will see all that if you just continue watching, sis. So let's go. So guys, this is her coming out the package. Well, this is not the original package, but it's I just throwed it in something. I haven't wore it until my birthday, so it's like looking wild crazy. So you guys want to see how I fix her. I am going to insert when I first put her on, like took her right out of the package. I did get a clip of that. I'm going to insert in because I'm trying to take a look at this, but it has 2 clips on the side, 1 in the back, and of course adjustable straps. Oh gosh. Oh y'all, look. Oh god, look how she looking. Whoa, no, we're gonna have to fix her. No ma'am. No ma'am. Guys, I only wore her for 1 weekend, and this is how it came out after I'm gonna say 3 days. I didn't sleep in her. Or anything. Like I said, I just put her back in there. It's kind of matted in the back. Oh god, I wore her in a ponytail. I wore her down. Guys, what you expect out of a synthetic wig? But I just be wanting to share with you guys. Like, I know people do reviews on when they first get it. I mean, I do too myself. But sometimes I just be, I want to let you guys know the tea later on. How is this wig later? So it's coming back. Take your wig brush, it's coming back together though. This is the old school on the stove trying to come. My grandma let me get it, which I'm so like, she done so many, even though this off the topic, but she done so many of our heads with this. my mom had my hair, my child had. This is a generational hot comb. Y'all see it's still like so hot, and I don't want to mess it up. I'm not gonna put any got to be or anything like that on it because I plan on not wearing her today. I just wanted to share the video with you guys. I did push it in the middle just to see how it looks, because y'all know I'm a side part chick, but I want to see how it looks in the middle. Perfect. Gives you a lot of a long parting space. And I'm just gonna flatten it out. Just a little bit. Okay. I didn't do any baby hairs either, guys. So now, guys, I'm gonna play with it some more so it's still looking kind of wild because I moved it. But I'm going with my powder to just put it on the scalp to make it look more realistic. I don't know why I didn't get my mirror done. My honest opinion on her, I don't too much like her, you guys. I don't too much like. I don't know if I got another color, black or what. The reason why I don't like her, I mean, it could like it's. I ain't gonna say it's not a bad unit, but it's just not for me. It's too thick for me. Like it's full. So if you like that full hair, I mean, I love big curly hair to be thick, but I don't too much care for this. Like it feels like it's too thick, and it looks, I don't know, it don't look that natural to me. I don't know, but so I don't know, you guys, would I purchase her again? I would want to try her in black just to see though, but yeah, I love the color. The length is probably about, I'm 5'2". It might be about 22 inches, 24, something like that. Yeah, I love the color. The structure of the wig is very nice. It's just too thick for me. And yeah, I mean, it's cute, but I probably won't wear it no more, guys. But let me know if you want me to do something else with her. Something else I can do to her so I won't waste. Y'all know I will finesse her and do something else just not to waste my money. But let me know, would you like to see a video on me doing something else to her? I don't know, guys. My husband like it. He loves the color. I just realized. Let me know what you guys think. I know you guys will be honest with me. I don't too much care for her on me. But yeah, she's a good wig for a person who loves just thick, full. It's very full. Yeah, and it was only like $32. So yeah. And it's true to length. It's a good length. And then, like I said, give you a lot of parting space. Feels good, big hair friendly. So y'all know I got a fat head, so yeah. So you guys want me to do more wig reviews? Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.